Today I'm replacing this drain pump on a LG washer. I'm getting the OE error code and you see the model number which I had, and I was able to find the part pretty easy based on model number from Amazon. And this is a description of the part which I got from Amazon. It's pretty inexpensive part, something like 25 bucks. So um, it is a not very easy project. So first, of course, I'll drain the water, and you can put some kind of pan or something into the drain. So when you disassemble, making water comes out. Of course, make sure you are turning off the power, and also you will have to tilt the washer to gain access from underneath. It is pretty heavy. You gotta be careful that it will not slip. So if you need a second person, use the second person. So you will have a three total of three bolts to remove, and they are 10 millimeters bolts. Make Go ahead and make plenty of pictures. So when you disassemble it back, you put everything back together. This is one of the bolts which I have to remove. I mean, I use a socket kit with 10 millimeters, so uh, just to make it a little bit easy on me. And it's not very easy. It's time consuming. You can scratch your hands. Make sure you're using some kind of glove. So go ahead and remove. You have clamps, one of the big ones right here you see, and you have two small clamps. So once the clamps are removed, the whole things can will come together, will come out, and once it's out, you will have a total of three Phillips screws holding the motor. Once the motor is out, make sure you take a pictures of the wiring, because of course once the motor is out, the pump is out, clean it, put it back together, and assemble everything back together the way it is. It is tight. It is not very visible, but uh, it's doable. So this is what I did. This is the new pump in. So once you put it in, I went go ahead and of course turn the water, put some dry paper towel, and this is the old motor already. It is spinning kind of freely. The new one was having some kind of tension resistance. So once I replaced it, I turn on the washer, and actually it works fine. So it took me like probably 1 hour for the whole thing. So good luck out there, and subscribe for more video, and thank you for watching.